Hi all, this is a celery root. It's also known as celeriac and it's part of the celery plant. It's really delicious and it's an underrated root vegetable. What I'm doing here is I'm cutting off the top and the bottom so that I have a flat edge. And that way it's easier to work safely. You want to buy one that's firm and you can keep it in your refrigerator unpeeled for about 3 weeks. But what you want to do is scrub it well first and then trim the top and the bottom like I just did, and then come down the edges just inside of the skin to peel it. Now I'm using a sawing motion with my knife. My knife is very sharp, but just with this sawing motion it makes it a little bit easier because it's a very firm root vegetable. Try not to waste your time here. I'm using all my arm power to get through this. It's too thick to be peeled with any kind of a potato peeler. It has all kinds of nooks and crannies on it, so you want to get these off as well. There we go. It's full of all of this sand and stuff because it's a root, it grows underground. It's a really lovely flavor. It has a nice mild taste to it. It goes well in celery root hash or creamy soup. It can be sliced, it can be roasted. I'm going to post a link below of some celery root recipes. Some are from Martha Stewart and some are from Bon Appetit. I'm going to be making a no-oil celery root fries with mine, and I'm going to post that recipe below. When I make my fries, I'm using my oven tray. I don't have a Instant Pot, but to me this works as my, I don't have an air fryer. So this works as my air fryer. It takes a little bit of space in my kitchen, and it accomplishes the same thing. So I'll post a picture of my fries when they're done. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day, and try some celery root.